Ask Tom on Home Show.
Ethleen from Pearland, Texas. Well, she wants to know about some Hardie protocols.
Well, it's because her yard guy messed up her Hardie, Tom.
Oh.
Ethleen writes to us, when they went and removed damaged pieces, we discovered that there was no plywood under the pieces. The builder apparently framed out. Then it looks like they put some insulation with paper over it, and then the Hardie boards. She's wondering if this will negate the warranty, and also would applying it this way cause issues down the line for Ethleen, Tom?
No, I think if you read the Hardie warranty, it's going to be fine. They're not going to worry about that. One of the things, in fact, Hardie, if the spacing is 16 inches on center, Hardie warranties it. That's perfectly acceptable as an installation issue. Now, depending on the nails they use and stuff, if they fail, then Hardie won't have a warranty on the connectors. And I'm sure that's not a problem, so I'm not asking her to worry about that. But I think it's perfectly fine. People are making more than what's probably there. Go ahead and replace the siding. The gardener messed it up. Let's replace it. Let's get it painted. It's going to be fine. That's the beauty of Hardie. It's pretty durable. In fact, I think it's very durable. So don't worry too much about it. Put it back. Nail it to the studs. I see a little tear on the paper there. If you want to put a little duct tape on there, there's a place it'll go. And go ahead and put your Hardie back. And don't listen to all the people.
Is that what you do?
What?
You put a little duct tape on it and move on?
I put a little piece of tape on there, a little air conditioning tape, duct tape. I wouldn't use packaging tape, but yeah, duct tape will work. And then go ahead and put the Hardie back on there and let it go at that, because it's going to be fine as far as the warranty. That's the question, the warranty. Now, if you're building a new home and you don't have a solid sheathing and you put it on the stud, sometimes you get what we call the oil can effect. And that means that the Hardie will wave a little bit if you look down the wall. If that's the case, then it's not a bad thing. Hardie won't say no unless the studs are 24 or even farther, 24 inches or farther apart. So you'll be fine. And the warranty's pretty strong with Hardie as far as it failing, because it just doesn't. So actually, it's probably a pretty good warranty because they never have any warranty calls. It's so durable.
Well, and the other piece of that is that, if she goes to the Hardie website, and one of the things amazing about Hardie is we've worked with them for like over 25 years. That their commitment to technical excellence, Tom. There's going to be a tech person. I'll bet you if she's really worried and she asked well enough, they'd probably come out and send somebody to look at it.
Yeah, and they're not going to warranty if it's waving. I mean, that's not part of their warranty. Their warranty is if it rots, if termites eat it, if it's destroyed by weather, that kind of thing. They didn't say it's going to look pretty. That's up to the people that put it on. They're just going to say their Hardie's not going to fail under these conditions. So your warranty is in good shape. And if it's guys that come in and say, oh, well, you don't have a warranty, this is what strikes me odd, is somebody's coming in saying, well, we have to tear this all off and put it on right, and then you'll have a warranty. Well, you know what? Tell those guys to go away and find somebody else.
Well, and that's Ethleen just saved herself a bundle. And that we want to do that for you too. You go click on that Ask Tom button right there. It'll take you to this page where you can fill out a form. You can send us a video. You can send us the details in a picture. And Tom will answer your question because we post a brand new one of these every day on our Facebook page. You'll find them on the Home Show Radio YouTube channel. And of course, these videos and a lot more at HomeShowRadio.com.